Power Automate in manufacturing. Manufacturing is evolving, and businesses are turning to technology to stay competitive. Microsoft Power Automate is a smart solution to streamline operations and boost productivity. From repetitive tasks to operational bottlenecks, manufacturers face a myriad of challenges that slow down production and increase costs. Power Automate digitally transforms your operations by automating workflows and integrating systems, reducing the time and errors in completing tasks. For example, with Power Automate you can process purchase orders much faster. Manual entries are reduced, approvals are automated, and inventory is updated in real time. Reduce downtime significantly with automated equipment maintenance alerts. Power Automate seamlessly integrates with your IoT network to ensure timely repairs and uninterrupted production. You can also enhance quality control by detecting defects automatically and generating reports. This ensures consistency in product standards and quick issue resolution. Empower your employees to save time on repetitive tasks and focus their energies on more strategic initiatives and innovation. With Power Automate, processes like data entry, approvals, and reporting take minutes instead of hours, with zero errors. Power Automate is scalable, adaptable, and integrated, ensuring performance and allowing you capitalize on growth opportunities. Get ready to evolve to purpose with Evolvous. Our customized Power Automate solutions for manufacturing can truly have a transformative impact on your operation.